Loyal's Tire Service serves the trucking industry and private carriers with new tires, retreads, and complete tire services. We have been in business since 1998, and our staff has a long history at tire repair and service. We try very hard to get you in and out as quickly as possible. Our goal is to have every customer finished in 20 minutes, even if you buy a set of 4 tires and need them put on and balanced. We also sell a variety of new rims, tires, and used tires. Come by and see us today for fast and professional service. Loyal's Tire Service, 910-485-1764.